Hey guys, this is your pal, Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak, back again for a brand new video series about an awesome game based on an awesome author called H.P. Lovecraft. He is one of my all-time favorite authors. He is the master, the father, the inventor of cosmic horror, the Necronomicon, and of course, the great Cthulhu. So, I bought a few boxes, a few expansions, and built a few decks. So, I'll show you what I came up with, and you guys can tell me if you like it or not. This game is very different than Yu-Gi-Oh! Because it's a much slower paced, a hell of a lot more strategic. So, we shall see what you think about my decks. Oh, yeah, baby. So anyway, here we go. We'll start with the main deck, the Cthulhu deck. Now, I got 3 Initiate of Dagon, 3 Poleman, 2 Gustav Johanssons, 1 Keeper of the Sacred Path, 1 Extremist Initiate, 1 Ian Hardaway, 2 Obsessive Zealot, 2 Carl Stanford, I love this card, 2 Asui Laak, 2 Dwellers Below, 2 Deep One Rising, 1 Ravager of the Abyss. This card is awesome. Henry Anthony Wilcox, Fiona Day, of course, Ruinous Starspawn, Hunting Wendigo, Kasagtha, the great Cthulhu himself, of course, Dormant card, which is always great, the Sword of Iathalo, Horrific Statuette, twice of that, Gaze of Gatanotoa, 2 of those, San Giorgio Inalga, Tidal Wave, twice, I love it, can't hurt this deck, 2 Non-Euclidean Geometry, Cthulhu Tagan, 2 Foul Inductions, 2 Solar Eclipse, 2 Swimming in the Deep. Unfortunately, only 1 Deep One Assault because I have only 1 copy. I should get 2 more. Touched by the Dreamer, and the very underrated From the Depths. Now, that's all great. Tell me what you think. I appreciate all your comments and suggestions for more videos. I will answer everybody that writes to me. And I'll see you in my next video for another great Call of Cthulhu LCG deck. See ya!